Greetings of the day, students. My name is Devan Sharma. As we have earlier met before, in my last session I have told you about the past rule of passive voice. So today I am going to tell you about the future rule of passive voice. So let's talk about it. So here, as you can see, first we'll start with future indefinite one. So in this we have the sentence, he will eat the food. So the rule will be object plus will be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Now let's have a look how we have to convert this into the passive one. So it would be the food, that is our object, then again will be as it is written over there. Then we have to use V3 as well, it in, then by, then him. So now it was the rule of future indefinite one. Let's talk about the future continuous one as well. Okay, now let me tell you, there is no future continuous because that would be for the rare cases. Now let's talk about the future perfect one as well. So in this future perfect one, we have to use object plus will have been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Let's have a look. He will have been eaten the food. We have to convert this into the passive one. So let's see. The food is our object. Then again will have been. It is written over there as you can see. Then after that V3. Then by. Then him, which is subject. So students, this was all about the future rule of passive voice. Thank you so much for watching the video.